Hello, welcome to Math 102. This is the summer session, summer one in 2021, which is crazy. My name is Sarah Torpy. I am your instructor. For this course, you are going to hear a lot of my voice through the semester, but this is a very short semester. So, a little about me. I have been teaching at Bucks for almost 5 years. I was a middle school math teacher, and then I coached teachers in middle and elementary school. I have done tons and tons of teacher professional development, but also have been teaching math at the college level for a long time now, more so than just at Bucks. And I teach a mix of the math for educator classes and algebra, which is like my dorky love. So this course in particular is different than most math courses that you have taken before. This is math for ed majors. This is a math first course. This is in the math department. So know right now that there's going to be math in this course that is new to you. There's going to be math in this course that you're going to meet and be like, what? It's okay. We are going to get through it. There are going to be things that you haven't done before, and there are definitely things in here that you will not be teaching kids. But we learn these things because they are more about how we think in math and how we approach math and knowing where the trajectory of things that kids in elementary school are learning. Because as a teacher, your job is to know all of that. So in the first 2 weeks of the course in particular, the first two chapters, 2.5 of this course are the most difficult, where most courses, the work gets progressively harder as the semester goes on. That is not how this one is set up at all. The first 2 weeks are really typically the most challenging, especially in this 6-week session. So please know ahead of time that that is what's going to happen here. It is okay. You are going to make it through. You got to do the work. You got to ask questions. You got to reach out if you need help. You have to be on it. But know that it starts here and it will get, not necessarily easier, but we do start with the hardest things. Sorry, I'm going to look at my list. This is a 6-week session, which means we move fast. This is less than half of the normal semester length, right? And we are going to blaze through this stuff. We basically do a chapter a week. Towards the end, we do more than one because they're shorter chapters. So this first week, we're going to work through chapter 1. Next week, chapter 2, chapter 3. You see how it goes. All the way till the end of June, and then we'll work those pieces out. You will see this listed in Canvas in the tentative course schedule. I will stick to that unless something insane happens and that we're all online, so it all should be fine. Know that that is going to be our schedule. Everything's already laid out for you in Canvas. It's already laid out in MyMathLab. For this course, you need to get your MyMathLab access started today, right now. There is a 2-week free trial. If you are not going to buy your access today, you should go do that. That's in the Start Here module. You will work through to that point. Know that the sooner you get in and get moving, the better. If you have taken this course before, you do not have to buy new access. You can use the access you've had previously. That's fine. But if you're new to this course, you've never taken it before, this is access you have to purchase, and you need to do it ASAP. And if you don't have it today, that's fine. Start with the free trial. We are also for this course going to take all our tests in ProctorU. I know that this is not everyone's favorite tool, but also global pandemic was not everyone's favorite thing. This is what we have right now, and this is the way it is going to work. In the Start Here module, you will work through, there are directions on how to set up your ProctorU. There's directions on how to test your system and make sure everything's working right. And then you are going to go ahead and schedule the 2 tests in the final that you're going to take for this course this week. You're going to schedule them now because ProctorU schedule gets crazy. And then you're going to take a quiz, basically where you confirm that you've done all the things for me in the Start Here module. So this week we have a couple of different due dates. This is the only week that's going to work like this. Hold on. Most weeks we're going to start on Monday. Everything's going to be due on Sunday. That's how it's going to work. Each normal week, and this week included, your first discussion post will be due by the end of the day Friday. And there's no like way for me to set two due dates on the same discussion. The whole discussion is due Sunday, but you are responsible for making your first post before the end of the day Friday, and I will check those dates as I score things. So this week in particular, this first week is special. Today, Monday, beginning of the week, you are going to work through your start with the Start Here module, work your way through it. Everything in there is due by the end of the day on Wednesday, which is the 26th. Sorry, I had to look at the calendar. Your first discussion post is due by the end of the day. So there is a little discussion, like an intro discussion in that Start Here module. That is all due by the end of the day Wednesday. There is an additional discussion for the chapter 1 work that we're doing this week. That first post is due by the end of the day Friday, and then all the work for chapter 1 is due at the end of the day Sunday, which is the 30th. It is Memorial Day weekend. You took a summer course. You do have to get it done. Do not let this week get away from you. Okay? Make sure you're right on it. And then know that you have resources to ask for help. If you are stuck, I expect to hear from you. I don't know unless you tell me. I answer email, I answer Canvas messages. Please reach out. Okay? If you are really stuck and you're not sure and you're feeling like you're falling behind, there is a tutoring center, the Academic Success Center at Bucks. It would love to be of help to you. That is what their entire mission is. So you can reach out to me and ask questions. We can talk about work. You can use the discussion threads to ask questions and talk about work. You can reach out to the Academic Success Center, ask questions, talk about work, but you cannot just sit and be stuck. The key to success in math is picking up your pencil and trying it. You have to try it. And if you ask for help, I will always ask you to tell me what you've tried already and share the work you've already tried. That is the minimum expectation here in the discussion whenever you reach out for help. In the discussion, it's not appropriate for you to just be like, how do you do this one? It is appropriate for you to be like, this is where I started, this is where I got stuck, this is what I've tried. That's how this is going to work. If you have questions about any of this, if you have questions as you get started, please reach out. There are going to be a couple of things that you have to message me already. So do those things, follow all the directions, read the Start Here module really carefully, and I'll see you all over the next couple of days. Bye.